Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix the add to pay a favorite button not showing on TikTok sounds. So if you want to save a TikTok sound and if you like a TikTok sound but then there's no add to favorite button shown on the sound, this is how you are going to fix it. So let's just launch the TikTok app first. Okay, so here I've already on the TikTok apps, and let's say here I want to save the audio on this. So I'm going to click on the audio in here. Okay, so when you click on the audio, there will be this button, add to favorites. But then what if this button's not showing on the audio that you like? So what you can do is that you can go to your profiles in here. Then you can click on the three lines icon at the top right corner. Go to the settings and privacy, and on the settings and privacy page in here, you can scroll down till you find this report a problem options under the support and about section. So just click on that. Here you can find the category or the issue that you are facing in here by clicking on the search button. But if you cannot find it, there's a no add to favorite button. You can just scroll down in here and there will be this option chat with us. So you can chat with the TikTok support team and just tell them your problem. You can click on the chat with us button. So here you can there will be a chatbot. What do you need help with? So for example, I'm going to just go with account. Okay, so if you don't see any theme or topic in here, you can just send a message directly to them. You can just tell them, dear TikTok, I cannot find the add to favorite button on TikTok sound. Can you help me fix this? For example, okay, and then you can just tap on send and then just wait for their solution or their feedback. So that's basically all. I hope this simple tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. Bye.